And we are looking at an RS Camp Es3, and pretty great two-person. If you mount actual rooftop, you can sleep 4 people. And getting to the back, we have a pretty wide kitchen area with all your kitchen needs and tow bar. Looking around on this side, this ES3 line, pretty good for 2 people. On the widest part we are 1.4, and on the longest part 2 meters long, so pretty long, great padding. And if we go to the ES4, this is a pretty bigger caravan, but will give you slightly more space here at 1.8, and it has the Wickwood Kumaro Light 152 roof tent from Wickwood Kumaro, and this mesa price is 25,258 all together, well, with the roof tent. And this is a much wider working space with the tow bar, so you can hook up your bicycles. Yep, not bad at all. Perfect for your caravaning adventures.